Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide or display content, container, widget or column to specific or multiple user in Elementor WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. So we are going to hide or display content for specific user or we are going to hide. So it's up to you. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write dynamic visibility for Elementor. So this is plugin dynamic visibility for Elementor we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after the activation go to Elementor page and refresh the page. So after that you can see visibility option. Now you see adding widget, so click on it. Now you see visibility. Now you see text widget. So again you see visibility option. Now we are going to hide or display container to specific user role or multiple user role. Now you see edit container, so click on it. So we are in edit container. Now you see visibility, so click on it. And then you see dynamic visibility, enable this option, yes. And then you see display mode, you see two options, show, hide. So if you want to display content for specific user or multiple user, then enable show. And if you want to hide container or column or widget for specific user or multiple user, then select hide. You see two options, we have show, hide. Now select show, so we are going to display it. And then you see trigger, now select. And then you see user and role, so click on it. Now you see user and role, so click on it, expand. And then you see roles, limit visualization to specific user role. Now click on it. Now you see admin, so you can select multiple user role. So we are going to display this container for admin editor. Now remove admin. Now select author. So we are going to display this content to editor or author role. So currently we have admin role, so click on update. And then we are going to check. Now update done, go to Elementor page and refresh the page. And then you see container hide, because container only show for editor or author role. Now back to Elementor page. Now we are going to add admin, so click on it and then click on update again. Now update done, go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Again you see container, because we added admin role in setting. So you can add role according to your requirement. So it's up to you if you want to show or hide. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.